50 most useful phrasal verbs with meanings and examples.
Figure out. To discover or determine something. He figured out the best idea to create a passive income. Fed up. Annoyed or bored with something that you have experienced for too long. I'm fed up with this rainy weather. Think of. To consider or have an opinion about something or someone. I can't think of a good movie to watch tonight. Relate to. To be able to understand or have sympathy with someone. I can really relate to your pain of frustration. Tell off. To reprimand or scold someone strongly. My boss told me off for being late at the meeting. Go out to. To make an effort to reach or help someone. He went out to help me when I was down. Throw on. To put on clothes quickly and casually. He just threw on his clothes because he was very late. Resort to. To do or use something, especially something undesirable. He resorted to selling his belongings after ran out of money. Step off. To get down from something such as a vehicle. He stepped off the bus and worked towards his house. Doze off. To fall asleep lightly or for a short period, often unintentionally. He was so tired that he dozed off in his chair. Think up. To create or invent a plan or idea. They're trying to think up a new marketing strategy. Launch into. To begin something with enthusiasm. She launched into a passionate running race with all her might. Start out. To begin a journey or race. He started out the race left behind, but finished the first. Go forward. To move ahead. He went forward towards the door. Lock up. To secure something by locking it. Don't forget to lock up the door before you leave. Shut up. To close and secure something like a door or window. Please shut the door up before the storm hits. Give away. To hand something to someone for free. The bakery gave away the leftover pastries at the end of the day. Come down with. To become ill with a particular sickness. He came down with a bad cold after being out in the rain. Think about. To reflect on or contemplate something. I need to think about your proposal before I make a decision. Ring up. To call someone on the telephone. Ring me up when you get there. Ramble on. To talk or write at length in a confused or inconsequential way. She rambled on for hours about her childhood. Shut up. To be quiet or silent, to stop talking. Shut up, I'm trying to concentrate. Have fun. To enjoy oneself, to experience pleasure or amusement. I hope you have fun at the party tonight. Look for. To try to find something or someone. She's looking for a new job. Look ahead. To look forward, to see what is in front of you. Look ahead. There is a fallen branch on the path. Settle for. To accept something that is less than ideal because there's no better alternative. I settled for $2,000 because my father hadn't enough. Get back to. To respond to someone or something later after a delay. I'll get back to you with the details after I check my schedule. Fork over. To give or pay money, often unwillingly. He used to fork over some money to his wife for daily expenses. Drink up. To finish a drink completely, often quickly. Drink up your milk before it gets cold. Breathe out. To exhale, to expel air from the lungs. The doctor told her to breathe out deeply during the examination. Clam up. To become silent suddenly, especially when reluctant to talk. When the police asked her questions, she just clammed up. Store up. To accumulate or collect something for future use. She store up vegetables for the week. Fuss over. To pay excessive attention to something or someone. Don't fuss over the small details. Worry about. To feel anxious or troubled about something. Don't worry about your car, it'll be fixed. Put back. To postpone or delay something. The meeting was put back until next week. Seize up. To assess or evaluate something. He sized up the car before started his trip. Be on about. To talk about something repeatedly or at length. He kept being on about his new car. Explain away. To try to minimize the significance of something. He is trying to explain away the accident. Live on. To continue to exist or being remembered after death or a significant event. He already died, but his music will live on for generations. Stop off. To make a brief visit somewhere during a journey. She stopped off to take the groceries she ordered. Spring back. To return quickly to a previous condition. Despite the accident, she quickly sprang back and started working. Get lost. To lose your orientation. We're driving through the unfamiliar countryside and got lost. Cut off. To isolate or separate something. He cut off the side of the paper he didn't need. Stop up. To block or obstruct something. I stop up the little hole to stop the flow of water. Get rid of. To free oneself from something unwanted. I need to get rid of this dirty stuff. Wipe out. To destroy or eliminate completely. The new pesticide wipe out all the insects in the kitchen. Wash off. To remove something by washing. He washed off all the dirty in the kitchen. Put by. To save money for future use. She puts by a little money each month for her retirement. Wash up. To wash one's hands or plats after a meal. She washed up after the dinner. Run out. To have no more of something. I ran out of money, so I couldn't buy anything. Go under. To fall financially, to go bankrupt. Many small businesses went under during the economic recession. Factor in. To include something as an important element when making a plan. When planning the trip, he factored in the cost of accommodation. Cash up. To calculate the amount of money taken and reconcile with the receipts or records. On Saturdays, the staff stay late to cash up.